Hello, my dear children. Good morning to all. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Children, today I am going to take your general science class. Alright, children? And today I am going to revise bird's name. Okay? Hope all of you have learned bird's name in our previous classes. Yes, very good. So, today I want to take a look at how you have revised bird's name. Okay, children? So, let's start our revision. Okay, look at your children. Birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. C-R-O-W, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Children, peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. Now again repeat after me. Parrot, crow, pigeon, penguin, eagle, duck, peacock, owl. Now children, revise bird's name at your home. Today is enough. Thank you. Have a good day.